Hello dear, how are you all? This is the second part of last video. We were talking about the trigonometric ratio. You know, if sin theta, cos theta and tan theta are three trigonometric ratios, then cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta, there are reciprocal trigonometric ratio. The reciprocal of sin theta and its reciprocal is cosecant theta. If sin theta is the trigonometric ratio of perpendicular over hypotenuse, then cosecant theta, since cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, or cosecant theta is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. So, if sin theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse, then cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse over perpendicular. I mean, to say cosecant theta is the trigonometric ratio between hypotenuse and perpendicular. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse over perpendicular. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta and sin theta is the reciprocal of cosecant theta. Similarly, cos theta is the ratio between base over hypotenuse or adjacent over hypotenuse. See, its reciprocal or its multiplicative inverse is secant theta. The whole name of secant theta SECant, secant, but we short write SEC, secant theta. Secant theta is the trigonometric ratio between hypotenuse and base. Since cos theta is the ratio between base over hypotenuse, and secant theta will be hypotenuse over base. Similarly, tan theta is the trigonometric ratio between perpendicular base, and cot theta is the trigonometric ratio between base over perpendicular. Since secant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, and cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, and secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. You know, when we multiply any number, for example, when we multiply 2 by 5, multiply it by its multiplicative inverse, for example 2 by 5. When two numbers that are multiplicative inverse to each other are multiplied, we will get answer multiplicative identity being 1. We will get 1. These two numbers are multiplicative inverse to each other. Hence, their product will be equal to 1. Similarly, you will multiply 7 by 9. If you multiply it by its multiplicative inverse, 9 by 7, we will get 1. Similarly, when sin theta is multiplied by its reciprocal, cosecant theta, sin theta multiplied cosecant theta will be equal to 1. Because these two numbers, sin theta and cosecant theta, we are called sin theta and cosecant theta are multiplicative inverse to each other. So their product will be equal to 1. We will get two formulas both from here. Sin theta multiplied cosecant theta is equal to 1. We will get sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. For example, if x multiply y are two numbers, their product 1, we will get x is equal to 1 by y and y will be equal to 1 by x. Similarly, if sin theta is multiplied by cosecant theta, their product 1, then sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta and cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. These are two formulas which we were obtained from this identity. Similarly, cos theta multiplied secant theta already equal to 1. So cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta and secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. From here we get cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta and secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Similarly, from here tan theta multiplied cos theta is equal to 1. We will get tan theta is 1 by cos theta and cos theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Now we will try to learn other trigonometric formulas. If there is x-axis and y-axis and it is a right angle triangle making angle theta with x-axis, this is hypotenuse, opposite to theta is called opposite side mean perpendicular, and this is base. You know, cos theta is the ratio. Cos theta is the ratio adjacent by hypotenuse or base over hypotenuse. If we take O as region, OAB is a right angle triangle. OAB is a right angle triangle. OA will be base, AB will be perpendicular, and OB will be hypotenuse. See, cosine theta is the ratio between base by hypotenuse. We write cosine theta is equal to base OA by hypotenuse OB. Cosine theta will be equal to OA and OB. Similarly, sin theta will be equal to sin theta. Sin theta is the trigonometric ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. I mean opposite to hypotenuse, perpendicular. Which is perpendicular? Here perpendicular is equal to AB by hypotenuse, which is again OB. You know, in right angle triangle there is a very famous Pythagoras theorem. We write scale of hypotenuse. Scale of hypotenuse is equal to scale of base plus scale of perpendicular. Scale of hypotenuse is equal to scale of base plus scale of perpendicular. We call it Pythagoras theorem. Scale of hypotenuse means scale of OB. And base. What is base? Base. OA is the base. OA base. If we find OA, the value of OA. If we find the value of OA, we first find the value of OA from this relation. We just cross multiply and OA will be equal to OB cosine theta. Relation 1. Similarly, from here we try to find perpendicular, length of perpendicular. We just cross multiply and AB will be equal to OB sin theta. Magnitude of OB multiply sin theta. This second relation. We now put these values in Pythagoras theorem. Scale of hypotenuse. We write hypotenuse is represented by OB. We just write OB. We call Pythagoras theorem. It is represented with capital A. Capital A implies that scale of hypotenuse means scale of OB. Will be equal to. Now base means OA. Scale of base we put here scale of OA and value of OA OB cos scale because it is a scale plus perpendicular means this is a perpendicular means AB length. We write perpendicular, the value of perpendicular, value of AB. Perpendicular, value of perpendicular means value of AB. Where is AB? We write AB. OB scale of OB sin theta. We write it scale. After simplification, we will get OB scale. When we take scale of this cos, we write cos scale. We write as cos scale theta. It is not scale of theta, it is scale of cos scale. Because function is a cos, we have to scale only function cos scale theta plus scale of OB and sin scale theta by taking common scale of OB from here, we write scale of OB. Scale of OB. When we take OB scale as a common, in bracket we get cos scale theta plus sin scale theta. OB scale multiplied by this, we write scale of OB over scale of OB will be equal to cos scale theta, sin scale theta. These will be cancelled to each other, so we get cos scale theta plus sin scale theta is equal to 1. Cos scale theta plus sin scale theta will be equal to 1. We call it trigonometric identity. Cos scale theta plus sin scale theta always equal to 1. Cos scale theta plus sin scale theta always equal to 1. We know, right? Since cos scale theta plus sin scale theta, since cos scale theta plus sin scale theta or sin scale theta plus cos scale theta, sin scale theta plus cos scale theta is equal to 1. From this identity, we make many other trigonometric identities. For example, we will divide this identity by cos scale theta on both sides. We will divide it by cos scale theta. When we divide it by cos scale theta, we write dividing by cos scale theta on both sides. On both sides. We write sin scale theta plus cos scale theta by cos scale theta is equal to 1 by cos scale theta. Here we write sin scale theta by cos scale theta plus cos scale theta by cos scale theta is equal to 1 by cos scale theta. We write 1 by cos scale theta. We write sin by cos tan. We write tan scale theta. These will be cancelled to each other. You know 1 by cos which is equal to secant, and 1 by cos scale which is equal to secant scale. This is another trigonometric identity. Secant scale theta is equal to 1 plus tan scale theta. We write secant scale theta is equal to 1 plus tan scale theta. This is another trigonometric identity. Secant, secant scale theta. We write secant scale theta is equal to 1 plus tan scale theta. We can write one more identity from here. If we want to value of tan scale, we take one in other side. We will get tan scale theta. Is equal to, we write here, tan scale theta is equal to secant scale theta minus 1. Secant scale theta minus 1. This is another trigonometric identity. Tan scale theta is equal to secant scale theta minus 1. We write tan scale theta. Tan scale theta, secant scale theta minus 1. This is another trigonometric identity. Similarly, when we divide this identity instead of cos square, we will not divide it by sin square theta. We will not divide it by cos sin square theta. We will get we divide this identity by sin square theta now. Sin square theta. Dividing by sin square theta on both sides. We divide this identity by sin square theta. We will get sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. 1 by sin square theta. We write sin square theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta. We write 1 by sin square theta. Sin square by sin square cancel to each other. We write 1 plus cos by sin. Cos by sin will be equal to cot. Due to square, we write cot square theta. Cot square theta. And 1 by sin, the value of 1 by sin is equal to cosecant. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin. We write cosecant square. Due to this square, we write cosecant square theta. This is an identity. This is an other identity, trigonometric identity. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta. You will remember cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta. And if we want to value of cot square theta, the value of cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1. This is an other identity. Is it clear? 1 cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. And cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Tan theta will be equal to, tan theta is the trigonometric ratio. Tan theta is the trigonometric ratio between perpendicular and base. Tan theta is the trigonometric ratio between perpendicular and base. We can write tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Or we write tan theta is perpendicular, which is perpendicular to this side, in this right angle triangle. AB is perpendicular, we write AB by base, which is OA. Tan theta is equal to AB by OA. In this right angle triangle tan theta, since tan theta is the trigonometric ratio between perpendicular and base, so we write value of perpendicular, which is AB, and base, which is OA. We now find the value of AB and OA from this right angle triangle. From this right angle triangle, you know, cos theta. Cos theta is the trigonometric ratio between base and hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base, which is OA. Base and hypotenuse, which is OB. From here we will get OA. OA will be equal to, by cross multiplying, OA will be equal to OB into cos theta. Similarly from here we find the value of AB. We write as cos theta is equal to OA or OB. Cos theta is the ratio between base over hypotenuse. Base over, so sin theta will be equal to base over hypotenuse. OA and OB. We know right sin theta. Sin theta is a trigonometric ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Mean AB by OB. The value of AB from here, value of AB is equal to OB sin theta. We now put these values of AB and OA here. We will get tan theta. Tan theta will be equal to AB mean which is OB sin theta over value of OA which is OB cos theta. Now we cancel OB by OB, we will get tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Hence, you always remember tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Similarly, we can prove cos theta by sin theta. Since reciprocal of tan will be equal to cot, cot. Reciprocal of tan will be equal to cot, and then we take reciprocal on both sides. Reciprocal of tan will be cot, and reciprocal of sin by cos is equal to cos by sin. We write cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. We will write here some trigonometric formulas. Write sin theta cosecant theta is equal to 1, cos theta secant theta is equal to 1, tan theta cot theta is equal to 1. From here we will get sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta and cosecant theta. COSEC cosecant theta and cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Similarly, from here we will write cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. From here we write tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Similarly, we write sin theta by cos theta which is equal to tan theta, and cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. We also have proved sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From here we get two more identities. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos